A very good morning, students. Students, earthquake is a natural disaster, a calamity which bring a huge damage to life and property. We can see, I have already shown you this picture where different scenes of disaster is shown here, how buildings have collapsed, roads have been damaged, even bridges are broken or damaged, railway tracks are damaged, life of people, animals, they are affected, or maybe people die, animals die, or injured, badly injured. So it's a huge calamity. Now what are the things we can do, children, we know that it cannot be predicted. We have studied that till date scientists are not able to predict an earthquake, cannot say that there is going to be an earthquake in a particular day or a particular date. So we should take some precautions when this disaster strikes. So what are the things? Consider these earthquake safety tips. Suppose there is an earthquake, you can feel the ground is shaking, you can feel the land surfaces is moving vigorously. What are the things you can do? Stay away from buildings, tall trees, power lines. Try to run out of the buildings. If you are in school, many a times your school has taught you, or the management has taught you how to take safety measures when there is a disaster, how to run out of the classrooms or any other rooms. But of course, while running, you should be careful that you do not hit somebody, or in a line you do not fall, causing major accidents. So stay away from building tall trees may fall on you, or power lines, because there is a shade. So those power lines, overhead power lines which you see on the roads or buildings, they can just trip and fall and snap. So be careful of this. Now you will say, I am in the building, how can I run away? Yes, sometimes it is difficult to run away from the buildings because you are in a high-rise building. It's not easy to come out of it. But if it is so that you cannot come out of that building, please try to stay under a furniture, a piece of furniture which is very, hard and sturdy, means not easily broken. Maybe the bricks fall on you and you are not hurt. So maybe a table or a desk you can go underneath to protect yourself. Stay away from these buildings, means you can run out of it. Avoid taking lifts or elevators if you are in a building where there is many-story building, flat, or maybe you are in a building. It can be that you have gone somewhere in a shopping mall or any other places where you are in the high-rise building, and suddenly there is an earthquake. Earthquake not tell you that you come out of this building. So you have to do something. Some disaster management actions have to be taken. So try not to take lifts or elevators, because they run by electricity. At that time of earthquake, a major earthquake, electrical connection can go and you may be stuck, or maybe due to shaking, those lifts or elevators can just break those the electrical wire, or the connection it has been, or you have seen those ropes and wires which are connected, which make the lift move up and down. It can also snap and fall down, and you can. So try to come out of the stairs. Of course, it is also dangerous because they can fall and they can break. Get out of a building and move to an open area. This is the safest thing. If you are in a place where you can go out and there is an open area, like in school you have open area. But sometimes people in the cities, big cities, they don't have any such open area. But at least out of the building, that open space, you can be there to be safe. Okay. Sit under a heavy sturdy, I told you, which is not easily broken, or desk, to avoid being hit by something. If you feel some furniture will fall on you, avoid being there. Use staircase and not live during and immediately after an earthquake. So these are the few things you can do to avoid earthquake, or means take the safety measures when there is an earthquake. Children, places like or countries like Japan, Philippines, they have earthquakes every year, maybe minor or major. Now what happened, these countries, actually Indonesia also very prone to earthquakes, especially those islands in Indonesia, Japan. This is the Pacific region actually is earthquake prone zone, because I told you, I talked about the tectonic plates which are always moving, shaking, and that causes this violent release of energy, and that is shaking of the rocks and the shaking of the surface land. Now these countries, what they have done, they have built buildings which with the bricks which are light, and they are, that resist earthquake. So in Bhuj also, after that major earthquake which caused a huge loss of life and property, most of the buildings were razed to ground, buildings collapsed everywhere. So that city again almost rebuilt, and they made those houses now in the market. Now it is available, those earthquake resistant building materials. The bricks are little light, and if they fall, if they break also, they don't hit or they don't cause much disaster or major accidents. So in this way we can do something to prevent ourselves from this disaster called earthquake. Thank you, children.